I'll be alright! So what if I die? Just means my time's up! I'm telling you! It's okay, I've been ready to die for a long time! Why did you touch my hand? Do you want to die?
Hell no, I don't want to die! Tell me, how much time did I lose?
About 2 months.
If you want to die, then go ahead. Just do it somewhere far away. I'm sick and tired of people dying on me. Right before my eyes.